She-Hulk, Season 1, Episode 5. Does she own She-Hulk? Spoilers up ahead. I was like, wait, what's this episode about? Spoilers up ahead. Let's go.
Well, in this episode, we learn a lot about copyright, trademark, that sort of stuff, right?
Yes.
Well, at least on a surface level, which is neat. I like it. They don't go too deep into the lawyering, but that's cool. We don't need to go too deep into the weeds.
It's a comic book show.
It is. That's about a lady that can turn into a big, strong green woman and is a lawyer. So
yes, Welcome back to AsArt. My name is Nick. I got Kyle here with me. Pegos with a 0. He has a thing for She-Hulk. Go check out our last video. It's really great. It's one of my favorite videos we did all time. All time. We have some funny comments on there too. Go read them. Check them out. And we are back. She-Hulk's in court again. Who would have thought about that? She-Hulk attorney at law in court again.
I was surprised.
This time it's for copyright. So we get a basic understanding of copyright. And it's kind of fun seeing her dates go on the stand.
That was great. I like Amelia Book said, it's kind of a power move to see all your past dating mistakes, right? It's not, it takes you suck up a lot of pride, to do that. And she apparently wouldn't do it.
Yeah.
Also, we got to see Amelia Book, who does everything by the book, and I think this is a pretty good portrayal of the character.
Yeah, she was very by the book.
Yep, she knows her laws inside and out.
Yeah, and I also thought it was fun the teaser with the costume designer or the Did you see the teaser in the box?
The yellow Daredevil
suit,
yes.
I was trying to look for other costume stuff there and there too, which I could not really spot anything else. And there might be more. They
seem to have like a chest piece with a gut at the end of it.
Was that Thor's?
Maybe
when he had the gut.
Maybe.
But his is magical though. I thought
true.
I thought Mjolnir did. But anyway,
so who knows? Who knows?
Who knows who has the gut?
That's the thing with the fashion designer guy for superheroes. I wanted to see your outfit at the end. Dang it.
Yeah. Well, that's so funny. Lord of the Rings does this to us too. The Rings of Power show. It's called the mystery box. Literally they'll save a cliffhanger for the next episode. And it's so funny because this happened. She got sued and it's it cuts oh dang it, I want to know what's happening. And then it's she got, I want to see the outfit. I want to see Daredevil. It's this, and they do this with Rings of Power too. It's a cliffhanger, and you're well, I want to. The episode ends. There's a message of. Okay, we gotta wait till next episode. It's a mystery box within a mystery box within a mystery box. So you keep opening up another box that leads to another mystery. It's endless. But I got major Edna Mall vibes from Incredibles.
Major what?
Edna Mall.
Oh,
remember?
Edna, yeah.
Which was just, darling, capes are out of style, darling.
It was like Edna meets Reggie from The Fifth Element.
The Fifth Element, yes. That's Chris.
Yeah.
Chris Tucker, right?
Chris Tucker, yeah.
Yeah. That's awesome.
Those blended those two, yeah.
That's actually perfect. I didn't even think about that. That was spot on, and that was fun. I'm surprised she didn't wear her suit to court. I thought that was the whole point of her getting in the suit, so she can look presentable in court.
She will next time. I think
but you would just, for her case. I thought that was the whole thing. And then, any other things that stood out to you in this episode?
I don't know. It was interesting because we see just the whole sort of idea around Titania's
business?
use of She-Hulk and also her business, right? It was interesting because we see Jen and Nikki going to one of her stores, right?
Oh yeah.
And it's wait a minute, beauty tonic and beauty lotion or something like that, and she's it's the same thing, and then Nikki's it's totally not the same thing. I feel that's at least some sort of commentary on the beauty or fashion world.
Yeah,
right?
It was a pop-up shop. It looked like.
Yeah,
there's influencers waiting to get
snake
in.
Oil.
And then before that, or maybe it was after that, we got the teaser with the shoe shop too, Oh, I'm a collector. I want the the Iron Man 3s. It's like the Jordans, but they're Iron Mans and they're collectors, and you needs to buy two. So it's very much a collector brand theme. Like, I wonder if that money goes to Iron Man's daughter for all the stuff being made off of his name. But because you know he copyrighted it. If anyone copyrighted Iron Man, you know Iron Man copyrighted Iron Man. So and the government probably owns Captain America. Sorry, go on.
and that's kind of like another like layer of detail to the Marvel MCU, right? Is that like, you know, each superhero probably has either to great success done copyright or like trademark or not. Yeah. Right. And they're just like, you know, getting taken advantage of. And it's interesting because we can see that like Titania, like she, you know, she knew that the name recognition of She-Hulk would get her more stuff because they think it's about She-Hulk, right? When it's not. It's under the Titania brand. And we see that with her cousin, with Jen's cousin. Yeah, like he comes in, he's like, this is all your stuff, right? You know, like, and just, and no, you know.
And then one thing I noticed, we didn't get an extra clip at the end of this episode.
We did not.
Which I thought was like, oh, maybe they used it up on the Daredevil. Maybe that Daredevil scene should have been like the credits.
Or maybe they just saved it on the twerking, you know.
They're like, after that, like, we did enough.
Yeah.
And so I'm not 100% like for this show still. Like, I see things I like about it. There's a lot of things I don't like about it, but I see it as what it is. I know in my head, I'm still trying to get over the Marvel thing in my brain, but there's still moments that I've been trying to be more positive overall, or at least just enjoying it to the point where I'm laughing myself through the episode, like just hysterically. You know what I mean? Like you got to approach life that way. If you watched our last Rings of Power video, yes, I am laughing hysterically at stupid stuff, but it just helps me get through the episode. So and on that bombshell taken from Top Gear, I think that's what they say at the end of Top Gear. Follow Kyle on Instagram, Peckus with a 0. He's a super talented artist, amazing. Go check him out. Go to AsArt.space for all the audio video links, and let us know down below in the comments if you like the show, if you don't like the show, if you think this is the best Marvel TV show or the worst one. I would like to know, or where do you rank it with the other ones? We're very, very curious, and we'll see you on the next AsArt.